welcome back to the Discovery Workshop ASMR, and today we're just doing a little maiden flight of a helicopter we got from Kmart. Ready? Okay, I'll come back. Yeah.
I'm making it try to sit it. Only sit it because of the wind.
Okay. Oh. Oh.
The wind.
So it's the wind.
Yeah.
Is it still okay? It's not broken?
It's not.
Okay. Okay.
Yo.
Do you want to try again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, it's an easy one.
Nah, it's the wind. It won't make me go forward.
Right.
Yes, it will. Oh no, it's gonna drift it. You have to go over there further than just a bit. It's gonna make it drift this way.
Ready? Got it? No. It's not working.
Not working.
Oh well. Okay, so that ends our maiden flight. We'll wrap it up here. Please like and subscribe, and over and out.